It was such an honour for me and Sadia to work on this zero waste collection for CONE together with our friends at JEANOLOGIA. I've always, as a designer, tried my hardest to eliminate waste, even from the very beginning. Don't like the way things are finished. So for me, it was always about the cleanest way to possibly make a jean. And so I've always been doing some essences of zero waste when it comes to the one-piece fly or doing a clean waistband. It was a real pleasure to explore properly doing a zero waste collection, and the range of fabrics that CONE had given us was amazing as well. These were awesome fabrics that were all different widths. It was a real learning curve for me because every single fabric is in theory a different pattern. So you can have the same jean, but you have to do different details on every fabric to make it fit accordingly. So it was really interesting for me to explore this concept because we got a few garments looking amazingly well with hardly no waste, and then some of them we were still having some issues. And so the real breakthrough came when I managed to figure out a way of fitting a pattern piece on pretty much any type of fabric, and that was amazing. So there are rules in pattern cutting, and the way I got around it was by putting darts in really unusual places, and it was just awesome. It was such a fun experience pattern cutting this actual collection. And then sewing it, I made sure that we followed through. We put circle bar tacks on everything down to the trims as well. We got screw-on buttons from our friends at Jarvid Brothers. AE Thread gave us 100% cotton thread. It just came together so beautifully well. And you know, not only that JEANOLOGIA did such a fantastic job washing the actual collection too. But I think zero waste for me is something that I'm going to be exploring for many years to come, and it was an absolute pleasure to start this process with our friends at CONE.